Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm great, ma'am. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm doing great too. Thank you. So, how is your morning going then? You had your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all
Just
right.
now I had breakfast.
Okay, what you had then?
Uh, yeah, I had for breakfast Maggie.
Okay. Okay, you know what? Eating Maggie in the morning is not good. It's not healthy.
Yeah, but because my children
Oh,
insisted, Mama, please make Maggie. So that's why I had to make Maggie. So and I also had Maggie.
okay, okay, all right. So, do you also put some vegetables in it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's a good thing then. You're
Capsicum.
at
Yeah.
capsicum. Okay,
Yes.
all right. Perfect. So, your children enjoyed it? They liked it?
Yes. Very much, ma'am. And my son is having now.
Okay, all right. No issues, no issues. So, did you get a chance to go through the session notes today?
Ma'am, I didn't get a chance, but I saw in night only just for 1 minute, and
Okay.
I went to the notes, but I'm not. I think now I'm thinking I'm not ready for the topic, but let we will. I will try.
Exactly. Perfect. It's okay. It's okay. Even if you're not ready, we will do it together. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So, the heading of the topic is storytelling, right?
Yes.
Exactly. All right. So, first of all, tell me, when you were a child, what kind of stories you like to listen? Fairy tales, adventurous stories, or horror stories?
Yeah, when I was child, so I liked a horror story most,
Wow.
but
Okay. Okay.
now I don't like horror story. I like only mysterious story.
Okay. Why don't you like horror stories? Like, don't you believe in ghosts now?
Yeah, I believe that's why I'm not. I don't like.
Okay. Okay, now I understood. You believe in ghosts, that's why you're not reading it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So, who narrated the horror stories to you? Your grandmother?
No, ma'am,
Then?
not grandmother. Because yeah, we. In my childhood I was living with I was live in my joint family, so my aunties, uncles, and sometime and my elder sister and brother always told the story.
Okay, all right. So, in English, we never say auntie, we will say aunts. Aunts and
Aunt.
uncle. Yes.
Aunt.
AUNT, aunt. Yes, exactly.
Yes.
All right. So, were you not interested in fairy tales then? That a fairy will come and she will sort all your problems?
No, ma'am,
No? Okay, all right.
I don't believe this.
Okay, but you believe in ghosts, but you don't believe in fairy.
Because I saw some kind of situation. That's why I believe.
Okay, what happened with you that made you believe that ghosts exist?
Yeah, it was about my cousin. So she was suffering from negative things.
Okay.
So
What
yeah,
kind of
so
negative things? Like she was behaving weirdly or differently?
different because somebody had on upon her. So she was playing like this. So
Oh, seriously?
yeah, yes,
Okay. So instead of that, what you can say that she had someone had casted a magic spell on her. Someone had casted
casted
CASTED casted a magic spell. Jadoo
a
kiya tha,
magic
right? A magic spell on her.
on her. Okay.
Okay, all right. So she was behaving differently or weirdly, right?
Yeah, and created different kind of voice.
Okay, different voices also.
Yes,
Okay, all right. That's why you believe in ghosts.
yes,
Okay, all right. So I think your mother must have given you something to wear, na, so that
yes,
ghosts can't come to you. What is that?
yes.
That must be a black thread.
Yeah, black thread and while don't have milk, curd, and kheer while going out. So don't do this.
Okay.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
kind of
even
thing.
I think even my mother used to say, don't eat sweets and go out, right? You have to take a sip of water,
Yes,
or else the ghost follows you or something, right?
yeah. So
Okay, all
it
right.
was, and was that kind of thing was happened with her because after marriage she was newly married and she had curry curry chawal and after eating curry chawal she came out the home and 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 suddenly some magical uh, trap on her.
Okay. Someone casted a magic trap or spell on her.
Someone cast it,
Yeah, किसी ने
but
जादू किया था, right?
no one has casted the magical and like
Hmm. No one casted
she
a
was
magic spell. Hmm.
she was going somewhere
Hmm.
and at a time she was suffered
Okay,
by
she was
chance.
suffered. Okay, like you mean to say that a soul, right? A
A
soul
soul,
just came into her body, right?
yes.
Exactly. Okay, and the soul trapped her. That's why she was
Trapped her.
unable to react in her
Yes,
conscience.
yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, okay, all right. And you said that we she get out the home, out of the home. You have to use prepositions also. Off. Get out of
Out
the
of
home.
Get out
Yes.
of the home.
Yes, exactly. Okay, all right. So tell me, what was the last story or the movie you heard or watched which inspired you?
I heard lot of story, religious story. So
Religious. Religion is
re-
religious.
religious story.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, in COVID, I used to watch Ramayan in
Wow.
TV on TV. So that uh, that story en- encouraged me a lot. And this is the time to move to religious way.
Okay, all
So
right. So,
now I am doing lot of worship.
okay, I'm worshipping God, you can say.
Now I'm doing worshipping of God.
Yes, not doing, you can say that I'm worshipping God. Doing nahi bolenge. I'm
Okay.
worshipping God and I'm spending a lot of time reading the religious books, you can say.
Yeah. I am
I,
spending a lot of time in reading the religious books and pray to God and only sit in front of them and
okay.
whatever I have mind, I just only speak out.
Okay, all right. In that case, you can use this word self introspection. Have you heard this?
Self introspection.
Self introspection. Okay, let's understand the meaning of this word introspection. What do you mean by this term introspect?
Intro means internal thing.
Yes. Okay, you're going right. You're going right. Okay. Internal things. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you. Introspect basically means when you're examining your own thoughts and feelings. Okay, for example, you just sat in front of the God, okay, and then you're just thinking what happened in my life and what is going. You're reading your own thoughts and feelings, right?
Mm.
So that
Yes.
means इंट्रोस्पेक्ट. और सेल्फ मतलब क्या होता है? खुद को, खुद की फीलिंग्स को एग्जामिन करना, तो हम बोलते हैं सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. ओके, सो यू अंडरस्टूड दिस टर्म सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन.
Uh, when we talk about when we talk with self, uh, some internal thought
यस.
with some
व्हेन
internal thought.
टॉक की जगह हम कौन सा वर्ड यूज करेंगे? एग्जामिन. एग्जामिन मीन्स टू गो
Examine.
थ्रू, खुद की चीजों को नोटिस करना, तो बोलेंगे एग्जामिनिंग ओन थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स.
When we
ओके,
examine own thought and
थॉट्स
feeling.
एंड फीलिंग्स, इट इज नोन एज
Yes.
इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन मतलब खुद का इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, है ना? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप किसी और का इंट्रोस्पेक्शन कर रहे हो, देन फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर फ्रेंड इज सिटिंग नियर यू और आप उसकी बातें समझ रहे हो, दैट विल बी इंट्रोस्पेक्शन ओनली बिकॉज यू आर
Yes.
इंट्रोस्पेक्टिंग योर फ्रेंड. आप उसकी थॉट्स और फीलिंग्स को समझ रहे हो, राइट?
Yes.
So that is different and self introspection is different. Okay, okay, all right. So I think it gives you peace whenever you sit in front of the god, in front of the idol. You know the meaning of this word idol worship?
Idol worship? No.
Idol worship, IDOL, idol worship. Worship मतलब क्या होता है?
Puja?
Yes,
Pray?
पूजा करना. Idol मतलब होता है मूर्ति, मूर्ति पूजा.
Murti. Oh,
Okay,
yes.
when we are worshipping the idols only, God हमारे
Yes.
सामने real में नहीं होते, right? But we just put
Yes.
an idol and then we preach God. Preach मतलब हम पूजा करते हैं. We preach
Yes.
God.
Preach
Okay,
God. Okay.
exactly. So you are also following idol worship only,
Yes, ma'am.
but still I think it gives us a positive energy that some power exists, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes I feel God is sitting in front me and He is hearing my all problems or thoughts. He is hearing, and after some time I realize He has heard and He sort out my problems.
Exactly. Okay, all right. So you said that he will arrange the solution. Arrange नहीं हम बोलेंगे resolve. Resolve the solution or resolve the conflict. Resolve मतलब सुझाया कर लेते हैं. Solve कर देते हैं चीजों को, right?
Resolve.
Resolve. And you said that I sit in front God, in front of God. आप फिर से off use नहीं कर रहे हो. Off. Get out of the house. In front of the God. Off. Okay,
Okay.
because you're generally forgetting these words. So you just have to think that you have to connect the sentence तो हमें off बोलना है. It's necessary. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Bye,
See you
ma'am.
soon. Bye.
Bye.